Hello guys, today's page is a little bit unusual. I just received my new Daniel Smith watercolors and can't wait to try how they will work for me as for art journalist and how can I incorporate this product in my mixed media works. I am sure this watercolors quality is excellent for fine artworks, but as you know, Daniel Smith materials are very pricey and I wanted to check it out myself to evaluate if they worth the money for art journal purposes. This is the first time when I purchased Daniel Smith products, and here I have a half-pound set called Colors of Inspiration. It contains 6 half-pounds with paints and 9 empty pans. I want to apologize in advance if I pronounce the color names incorrect or weird way. English is my third language, but I will do my best. So the colors are Wisteria, Lavender, Rose of Ultramarine, Moonglow, Shadow Violet, and Serpentine Genuine. I'm marking pens with color names and brand name with Sharpie pen, which is not water soluble. And this is another Daniel Smith set. This time it is PrimaTek set of 6 unique colors in 5 ml tubes made from natural minerals, plus here is watercolor ground, which probably will be tested later in another vids. The colors are Rhodonite Genuine, Jadeite Genuine, Amethyst Genuine, Mayan Blue Genuine, Hematite Genuine, and Piemontite Genuine. I also have 3 15 ml tubes selected personally by me, Nikel Azo Yellow, Potter's Pink, and Iridescent Jade. Total I have 6 pounds plus 6 tubes of PrimaTek and 3 colors selected by me, which is total 15 colors, perfect for my new travel size plastic tin. Now I'm filling empty pans with watercolor paints. I'm squeezing liquid paint and removing air bubbles with pin. Then I will let them sit aside until they dry. While my new pans are drying, I will start my journal play and swatch, of course. For today's tutorial, I chose Dina Wakley Denim Journal because it has a very heavyweight cotton watercolor pages, which is good for my purposes. I'm outlining a plastic palette and paint tubes. I'm also drawing pencils and brushes. It seems this swatching game will be very fun. Here I also have a simple color chart which I made from thinner watercolor paper to use it in my travel tin. By the way, for drawing I used black Sakura micron pen, which is waterproof. I am starting with the first color, Wisteria. It is gentle, milky, and I'm almost sure it will dry semi-transparent. The second is Lavender, and it is also semi-transparent as Wisteria because they both contain white pigment. Third color is Rose of Ultramarine, and it is absolutely eye-catching. The next is Moonglow, fabulous dark purple shade. Here I'm mixing it with Rose of Ultramarine. Fifth color is Shadow Violet, gorgeous brownish purple, which is granulating color as well as Moonglow. The last one from Colors of Inspiration set is Serpentine Genuine, and this color is made of natural mineral, as all colors from Daniel Smith PrimaTek line. This is Nikel Azo Gold, first color of my personal selection for this palette. I love this shade of yellow so much. This is Mayan Blue Genuine from PrimaTek set, gorgeous greenish blue color. Next is Piemontite Genuine from PrimaTek as well, a rich red-brown color. It is granulating as all PrimaTek colors. Since I don't have more space in palette, I'm continuing to try colors on my simple sketches. Hematite goes to bigger brush. The Amethyst Genuine is absolutely special PrimaTek color. It is rich violet with shimmer. On the smaller brush sketch, I'm testing Jadeite Genuine, rich, deep green color. Bright hot pink Rhodonite Genuine on pencil. For drawing last two colors, which were selected separately, Phosphorus Pink and Iridescent Jade, I am making a color block where I will let them mix in the middle. I definitely like all colors. They are rich, granulating, and show very interesting results on page, especially when colors start separating. Meanwhile, my half pans dried up and I'm setting up my travel palette with them and with color chart. Now I'm done with color testing and I want to play with colors a little bit. On this page I will use one of my favorite Stampers Anonymous stamp set. Of course, I'm stamping with archival inks because they are permanent and will not react with water. And continue adding marks and images with another stamp sets. I'm also drawing some details with same Sakura micron pen. In the next few minutes I will play around my page with colors. The last thing, I'm adding splatters with watercolors and fan brush. This page is done, and summarizing, I want to say that Daniel Smith watercolors will be definitely used in my future pages because they are unique and have superior quality. What do you guys think? Do you want more bids with Daniel Smith products? Give me a thumbs up if you find this tutorial helpful and subscribe if you're still not. Thanks for watching and see you soon.